performance, safety, ease of handling, economy. The search for these qualities in ever greater abundance has long been the dedicated task of American engineering genius. And in no other field has the search been keener than in the development of motor cars for the people of America. Over the years, people have come to look to one name, Chevrolet, as the leader in developing the finest at lowest cost with all the qualities most wanted in motor cars. True to this tradition, now for 1953, the magic touch of Chevrolet engineering genius brings to America unbelievable advances in motoring pleasure. It has succeeded in transferring to you a true magic touch. The magic touch of toe to accelerator that brings amazing new experience in performance. The magic touch of foot to brake that brings swift, sure stops with unbelievable ease. Yes, with the all-new 1953 Chevrolet, your magic touch puts you in command of standards of quality that exceed all previous records for performance, safety, ease of handling, and all this with unheard of new standards of economy. What's behind this? Simply the story of Chevrolet's years of pioneering, developing, perfecting, culminating in two magnificent new power teams for 1953. One for those who want the modern magic of automatic driving. The other for those who want the finest in conventional gear shift driving. For conventional driving, a new power team offering the amazingly powerful Thrift King valve and head engine, the famous synchro mesh transmission, a new highly efficient rear axle ratio. Here is power for every driving need. An engine designed to give you performance miracles with a displacement of 235 cubic inches. Compression ratio increased to 7.1 to 1. Horsepower raised to 108, over 15% more. Designed to work with the Thrift King engine is Chevrolet's outstanding synchro mesh transmission. Easy to shift, durable, and this year more dependable than ever under all circumstances. Finally, completing Chevrolet's new conventional power team and bringing it the last needed touch of balance is the new rear axle ratio, designed to transmit to the rear wheels the right amount of power for best performance with maximum economy. This is a power team to make conventional driving history in performance and in economy of operation. Preliminary tests here at the General Motors Proving Ground already have shown that this new conventional power team can deliver up to 40% greater performance, up to 25% greater economy, depending upon driving conditions. Sensational! Just wait till you drive it. But wait till you drive Chevrolet's all-new automatic power team, available as an option on all Bel Air and 210 models for a truly amazing driving experience. Your magic touch brings you undreamed of performance and economy with velvet smoothness and effortless control. The power team that offers the breathtaking new Blue Flame high compression valve and head engine, the great new Powerglide automatic transmission, and the economizer rear axle. Here is an engine that sets new standards in performance in the low-price field. 7.5 to 1 high compression ratio, 115 horsepower, and Chevrolet engineering, thanks to over 40 years of building more valve and head engines than all other manufacturers combined, offers you all this tremendous new power without the need for using premium gasoline. And the rest of Chevrolet's new automatic power team has been precisely designed to carry this new power to the rear wheels with great new efficiency and full economy. The great Powerglide automatic transmission, owner-tested over 1 billion miles, is now more than ever the ultimate in automatic driving, in both performance and outstanding economy. Starting with the selector in drive range, this great transmission now automatically engages the low gear for a quick surge of power on the getaway. Upshifts to cruising range occur between 10 and 40 miles per hour, depending on accelerator pressure. For greater than ever traffic acceleration, quickly press down on the accelerator and you downshift automatically at any speed up to about 40 miles per hour. As you slow to a stop, the transmission automatically downshifts to low at about 9 miles per hour to be ready for the next flashing start. And all this has been accomplished without adding a single gear. What's more, a new control mechanism makes the upshifts and downshifts smoother than smooth. Coupled with the new, more powerful 115 horsepower engine, a new, larger torque converter of simplified design more efficiently transfers the engine power to the rear wheels. The increased fluid coupling at all speeds provides outstanding new economy by reducing the engine revolutions per mile of travel. Indeed, those who have thrilled in the past at the experience of driving with Chevrolet's velvet smooth automatic power team will marvel at the performance and economy miracles of this new Powerglide with the great all-new blue flame engine, ready at the magic touch of your foot. Finally, rounding out this unparalleled automatic driving team is Chevrolet's famous economizer rear axle, with its gear ratio exactly calculated to transmit maximum power with maximum economy. And now, just how well does Chevrolet's new automatic power team live up to the expectations of its designers? Let's look at the proof. Here at the General Motors Proving Ground, we can see automotive history in the making. There's no guesswork here. Nothing is taken for granted. This great new Chevrolet power team has to prove itself under every and all conditions. The most accurate time and distance measuring techniques are brought into play to check and record every phase of a car's operation in performance and economy tests. Figures disclosed by these control tests brought out the astonishing fact that the great new automatic power team delivers up to 30% greater performance in lightning-like getaway. Tests for acceleration at all speeds, in city driving or on the highway, the kind of driving that takes you to work, does your chores, or gives you pleasure. Tests for performance and economy that will make new Chevrolet history. And for economy in city driving conditions, these tests revealed that the new automatic power team delivers up to 25% greater fuel economy. No matter where you drive, in city, country, town, or village, in either Chevrolet's sensational new conventional drive power team or in Chevrolet's magnificent new automatic power team, a magic touch will bring you new joys and pleasures in driving in 1953. Matching the amazing new power, the magic touch of your foot on the brake brings a new sensation in braking ease with even greater control because of Chevrolet's wonderfully improved jumbo drum brakes. With a newly designed hydraulic system, which provides up to 23% greater ease of application in making smoother and surer stops. And on the road, on city streets or open highway, the magic touch of your hands on the steering wheel gives you an amazing new experience in ease of control. This year, Chevrolet's long-famous center point steering offers new standards in effortless handling through the addition of 2 needle bearings, which brings you easier than ever, safer turning and control under all conditions. And finally, for those who want the ultimate in ease and safety of handling, Chevrolet introduces to the low-price field as an option its new extra easy power steering. The same kind of power steering available with the most expensive General Motors cars. Here, with positive safe control at all times, you can negotiate the sharpest turns, the dizziest curves, the tightest parking maneuvers, almost without effort, with hydraulic power doing up to 80% of the work of steering. Yes, all these things are yours to command. The magic touch of Chevrolet engineering genius offers you a new unheard-of balance of engineering in low-priced cars. Magnificent standards of quality for power, performance, safety, ease of handling, and economy. It will give you the magic touch for greater than ever motoring pleasure in the 1953 Chevrolet of your choice.
Okay, Dinah?
Okay.
Take it, Vic.
It's a most unusual day. Feel like throwing my worries away. As an old native-born Californian would say, it's a most unusual day. There's a most unusual sky, not a sign of a cloud passing by. And if I want to sing, throw my heart in the ring, it's a most unusual day. There are people greeting people, there is sunshine everywhere. There are people greeting people, and a feeling of spring in the air. It's a most unusual time. I keep feeling my temperature climb. If my heart won't behave in the usual way, well, there's only one thing to say. It's a most unusual day. There's a most unusual sky, not a sign of a cloud passing by. And if I want to sing, throw my heart in the ring, it's a most unusual day. There are people greeting people, there is sunshine everywhere. There are people greeting people, and a feeling of spring in the air. It's a most unusual time. I keep feeling my temperature climb. If my heart won't behave in the usual way, well, there's only one thing to say. It's a most unusual, most unusual, most unusual day.
Cut. Print it, and let's move on to the next set.
Hi there. What a wonderful time for you to drop by. You know, they're just setting up to shoot a scene of our new star, and I'd love to introduce you before they begin. Honestly, we're all just bursting with excitement about this brilliant new performer. We think this one will not only win every award hands down, but it's just going to win the hearts of people all over the country. Come on now. I want you to meet a great new star. The new 1953 Chevrolet. Isn't that a sight to take your breath away? Wouldn't that new beauty steal any show? I declare it looks a mile long. And see how low it is. And that beautiful, beautiful grill. Every detail is so perfectly designed, I just keep looking and looking at it. And I'll tell you something. You can look at it from every possible angle, and you'll still come up with the same answer. It's the best-looking car in the whole world. There I go, getting carried away again. I could just talk about it all day.
Okay, take your position, kids. Let's get set to roll 'em.
I tell you what, I have to make a costume change, so why don't you just stay here and watch them shoot the scene while I get ready for my next one, okay? I'll see you later.
Let's make it. Action.
And as you can see, it's completely new. New from bumper to bumper and so beautiful. The new full-width grille, bumper, and front-end treatment stresses the low, road-hugging look with new crispness and new big-car appearance. And from the side, the airfoil-shaped fender lines and wide double molding are all new to accent the length and grace of the beautiful Bel Air Fisher body. The car really is lower, yet there's more room inside. The windows have been redesigned for the maximum usable visibility without sacrifice of strength. The bright, extra-wide window trim adds to the airy feeling of the new one-piece curved windshield and the big wrap-around rear window, both pioneered by General Motors. The trunk, you'll notice, has been newly designed to give you more space, a larger opening, and level, easier loading. Won't you?
Well, thank you. That's an invitation I can't resist. But, Jim, you...
I know, Judy. Just wait.
And don't you feel luxurious in that roomy interior? I just can't begin to tell you all the values that will be yours in Chevrolet for 1953. This body by Fisher is all new, from frame to hardware. Notice the lustrous sheen of the upholstery. Every detail has been redesigned to give you true luxury styling with more comfort and pleasure.
Seems to have just everything you could ever ask for. But, dear, what did you mean?
You'll find out.
The instrument panel has been redesigned so that all of the instruments and controls are together within easy reach and easy view for the driver. And it's more beautiful than ever. The steering wheel sits lower out of the line of vision, more comfortable for short trips or long trips. Notice the steering wheel grip. That's new too, to fit your hands more comfortably. Even the smallest details had the designer's attention. For instance, the brake pedal is reshaped to fit your foot more comfortably. And on what other car will you find a combination of all these things with such luxury features as this year's front Ventapane control crank, ordinarily found in only the highest priced cars?
It just seems they've thought of everything, haven't they?
Sure have.
But, Jimmy, I just don't understand.
You will, dear. You will.
Okay, cut. Hold your positions.
There now, it didn't take me too long, did it? Are you having fun?
All right, let's print that one and get set on the process shot.
Oh, you'll enjoy seeing how they do this.
All right, places, please, and let's have a test on the scenic background.
Process photography is tops in Hollywood's bag of tricks. You see, the cameras are set up so that they photograph the car and the actors and the screen behind them. Now watch. To the cameras, the picture on the screen looks like a real background for the action.
Let's make this a take. Camera, action.
I'm sure you know Chevrolet's reputation through the years for outstanding performance and economy. But you'll be amazed when you see how much more performance and how much new economy has been built into this new car. That story starts with Chevrolet's great new high-compression Blue Flame engine. And it is all new. Of course, the superiority of the valve and head design has been kept. But here is a power plant for your car with the highest compression ratio in Chevrolet history, made possible by a completely new engine. Here's a completely new power plant to give you a new feeling of power and fast acceleration. Can you imagine getting 115 horsepower and at the same time getting much more economy? And you'll find Chevrolet's leadership with Powerglide, which has been owner-proved over billions of driving miles, has been retained in a great new Powerglide with tremendous new performance and economy. Just imagine yourself with a new 1953 Chevrolet. You turn the key in Chevrolet's new Key Start ignition switch. The choke is automatic. When you shift into drive position, this new Powerglide starts in automatic low. This is a feature to give you more starting acceleration and to make the job of driving even more fully automatic. When you want to pass, you step down on the gas and Powerglide automatically goes smoothly into gear to put all that 115 horsepower engine to work, to whirl you by in a burst of speed. At highway speeds, Powerglide instantly provides exactly the right amount of fluid power for all driving conditions. Chevrolet has learned how to harness the Blue Flame engine power for unbelievable acceleration, and at the same time give you incredible economy even in city driving. You'll find a new brake feel on this new car, smoother, easier operation with pedal effort reduced to a feather touch. Now you can see why I say that it's completely new.
Jimmy Jones, I'm not going to wait a moment longer. You know very well we've already made up our minds the 1953 Chevrolet.
Yes, Judy, but Mr. Smith and I thought it would be nice for you to find out for yourself all the wonderful things we're getting for our money.
Cut. Good take, and thank you. Now let's see those plates.
Wasn't that wonderful? And what a wonderful choice Chevrolet is. The choice of more people than any other car. And it offers a choice of 3 series, the glamorous new Bel Air series, the luxurious 210 series, and the beautiful 150 series. Then, of course, you have the choice of the very finest automatic driving or the finest standard driving. No wonder Chevrolet is first choice all over America.
That's good. Dinah, you're on.
Oh, okay. Now, aren't you just as excited about our great new star as I am?
See the USA in your Chevrolet. America is asking you to call. Drive your Chevrolet through the USA. America's the greatest land of all. On a highway or a road along a levee, performance is sweeter, nothing can beat her. Life is completer in a Chevy. So make a date today to see the USA. See it in your Chevrolet.
Traveling east, traveling west, wherever you go, Chevy service is best. Southward or north, near place or far, there's a Chevrolet dealer for your Chevrolet car.
See the USA in your Chevrolet. The Rockies way out west are calling you. Drive your Chevrolet through the USA, where fields of golden wheat pass and review. Whether traveling lighter with a load that's heavy, performance is sweeter, nothing can beat her. Life is completer in a Chevy. So make a date today to see the USA and see it in your Chevy.